We were best friends in middle school, but it's got to be fast. So that obviously we're not going to go middle school. We're just going to go
Yeah.
middle school.
We were best friends in okay. I'm just messing up on the friends word now.
Friends, friends,
Friends. We
friends.
were best
Look at,
we were
have you
best
written it in as we wrote it down on your script?
yes.
So if
Yeah.
it's not working for you, you've got to write it so that when you look back at that word, that you know how to say it exactly as it's spelt. Because
Yeah.
obviously when you hear something, if you write it as it sounds to you, then you should be able to look back at that word and remember what that should sound like. So
Yeah.
friends.
Friends. Friends.
Perfect. Friends. Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect.
We were friends in middle school.
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 Yeah.
We were best friends in middle school. School.
Perfect. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, that's good.